How's it going, everybody? Decisive TV here, and I'm back for another Dogecoin video. So in the last video that I did of Dogecoin, I showed you guys how to actually mine it. There was quite a bit of questions that you guys had, and I'm just going to go over them in today's video because I know a lot of people had trouble getting it to switch from Bitcoin over to Dogecoin. Holy cow, you guys just blew that video away. I think we're over 2,000 views on the video, which is like the most I've gotten in a 24-hour period, which is absolutely insane. There's I guess a lot of people found it very useful because it's like a 91 like to 1 dislike ratio, which I'm so glad that you guys actually found it very useful and it actually helped you guys in order to mine. And I just want to get this video out there because I've answered the same questions like several times, but it can be just a little bit different. And so I think talking to you guys about it and addressing all the questions that you guys had about Dogecoin mining will be better than just typing it in the comments. So basically, as you can see here, I actually switched my wallet, so that's why I have less than 1 single Dogecoin. And Dogecoin, a lot of people were asking, is it actually worth to mine? If you have multiple computers or like multiple CPUs and GPUs running, then yes, it will be worth it. But if you're just kind of like me, I only have 1 GPU and it's a 2070 Super and it's all in one system, it's not really worth it. It doesn't give you that much of a profit, and especially now that Dogecoin has like gone way up in price. Way up, you know, it's gone up like 2 cents. Dogecoin has actually, and you can, there is a way to find out like the different types of coins, and you just go up next to miners, there's a little tab that says coins, and you can see like all the different cryptocurrencies that you can mine with the Awesome Miner, and Dogecoin is right here. Dogecoin difficulty 5,333,237 has gone up a lot. This was sitting at about like 4 million. So it's definitely gone up, and that's not making it really like too much worth it. And you can see here, it's that to answer your question, Dogecoin right now isn't profitable to mine if you're a single system miner. That means that you need multiple GPUs in order to mine, and that's basically like every single cryptocurrency. But it can be fun to mine because Dogecoin sometimes is very easy to get, and it's just a meme currency, you know. Now, I would like to say right now that mining Dogecoin right now will be a whole lot better if the price keeps going up for Dogecoin, because the higher that it gets in price, the harder it becomes to mine, which will mean that you'll either need more systems or you'll need to upgrade those systems, which will cost you a lot of money. So cryptocurrency isn't worth to mine for a single system miner, but it will be more profitable if you mined it now than it would be later, if that makes sense. That's to answer that question. Another question that I saw a lot about is the fact that whenever you go to balance, it has the Bitcoin logo instead of the Dogecoin. As you can see here, I'm in my wallet and it has the little Dogecoin symbols for Zergpool and then my address. And you don't want to use this address, by the way. This is my address, so your Dogecoin will go over to me if you do that. You don't want that to happen. To solve that, just make sure you did what or should have done in the tutorial and go to Zergpool, select Allium to Yes Power R16, do bulk edit. Make sure you press update password C equals Doge. Capitalize every single letter for Doge. You don't want it to be lowercase or else it won't convert. Make sure for profile switching, Zergpool, and then you put in a Doge wallet. Now this is my wallet. You don't want to use my wallet or else your Dogecoins will go over to my wallet. Make sure it's a Dogecoin specific wallet. Any other coin, it will change it to that, and it will convert it over to a different currency than what you want it to actually be, which is Dogecoin. And then for the region, obviously select the closest one to you, Europe, USA, or Asia, and then should be good to mine. After a tiny bit, probably maybe give it about like 10 maybe even half an hour, and see if it'll change over from the Bitcoin logo over to the Dogecoin logo. If it doesn't, then go ahead and comment in my videos and I'll see if I can help you out. Another question that I saw come up quite a bit is, how do you actually pay it out in regular currency? And so whenever it gets into your wallet, now one kind of wallet sort of website that I like to use is Binance. Binance.us for the people that live in the US. Binance will actually give you like a wallet that you can deposit it in, or you can actually trade it over. So Exodus, it has its exchange, so then you can exchange Dogecoin into other cryptocurrencies, or you can actually send your Dogecoin over to other addresses. What you can do is, if you use Exodus, or even if you use the Dogecoin core wallet, then you can actually send the Dogecoin that's in that wallet over to Binance. Now, Binance is actually a very good cryptocurrency to actual money. It's all online. It's a very good website. A lot of pro crypto miners actually use it, and just a bunch of people use it all throughout the world. So basically, you would just get the address from Binance and say, okay, Exodus, go ahead and send my Dogecoin over to this address, and then that's how you can actually export it over to Binance. Or with the Dogecoin core wallet, you can send press the send tab and then send it over to Binance, to the address that Binance would be at. Now, Binance, you do have to go through a tiny process, and you actually have to verify your account in order for it to work. If you live in the US and you want to exchange your Dogecoin, you do need account verification, which can be in the form of documents. Binance is actually trusted by millions of people throughout the world that do crypto money. So don't worry about it. They're not going to steal your information or anything like that. It's very, very trustworthy. And another question that I saw is, how do I see how much Dogecoin I have? So in the balance on Awesome Miner, it might seem like the unpaid balance is how much you've actually made, but that's not the entire Dogecoins you've produced. So you want to go over to Zeripool, then you can actually see how much you have. You would just go up to the wallet tab, do the wallets, and then it would give you a search wallet and then wallet address, and then that's where you would put the wallet address for your Dogecoin wallet. And in that case, I already put it in. It gives you a bunch of graphs and that sort of stuff to see how much you've actually made and like the times and that sort of stuff. So it's going to give you a bunch of graphs, don't worry about that. But then there will be the first section is your wallet section, and then you go to total unpaid, and then that's how much Dogecoin you've actually fully produced. So that's how you see how much Dogecoin you have. And do remember, Zeripool pays out every 200 Dogecoins. You can see right here, balance payment threshold is 200 Doge and 40 Doge on Sunday late evening. Anyway, yeah, so I really do hope this helped you guys out, and hopefully I covered all the questions that you guys, or at least the main questions that I saw on the tutorial video. Thank you guys so much again for 900 subscribers. Amount of views and just the support on the tutorial video is crazy. And yeah, so we might be able to prove Social Blade wrong and hit 1,000 subs before April 21st, because we're already at 924 subs, which is insane. Yesterday we just hit 900. I really appreciate all you guys. I really hope this video helped just a little bit more to clear up some thick air that was coming in between you guys and actually understanding the full process. But yeah, if you did enjoy the video, remember to hit that subscribe button. We're getting super close to 1,000 subs, and we might even reach it in this month, which would be crazy. I can't thank you guys enough. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.